The weather is getting cooler, and fall is in the air. And now is your best time to renew your bedrooms and baths at the 2024 Labor Day sale at WestPoint Home Bed and Bath Factory Outlet in downtown Chipley. 50% off all our everyday low prices, August 16th through September 3rd. Enjoy some of the best quality and most recognized national brands at prices that will be hard to beat. Enjoy savings on all your home accessories, from sheets, blankets, pillows, and comforters to towels, washcloths, and household items. With brand names including Southern Tide, Izod, Velux, Martex, and more. It's the 50% off 2024 Labor Day sale at WestPoint Home Bed and Bath Factory Outlet, 1414 Main Street in downtown Chipley, Florida, just a mile north of I-10 in the Washington Square. And let the WestPoint Home fall savings begin.